Welcome back. In this session, we'll be talking about flight restrictions, particularly NOTAMs or Notice to Airmen, which are for flight safety. NOTAMs, or Notice to Airmen, are time-critical aeronautical information updates. They are considered essential to the safety of flight, and they receive immediate dissemination. There are quite a few reasons for the dissemination of a NOTAM. In any case, they include flight hazards such as air shows, parachute jumps, kite flying, rocket launches, or a flock of birds. They may be issued for a temporary flight restriction for any number of reasons. They may be issued for flights by important people such as heads of state, or for military exercises with resulting airspace restrictions. And with regards to obstructions, there may be an inoperable light on the top of a tall obstruction, or there may be a temporary obstacle near airfields. Here are a few resources to access NOTAMs.